Hello my lovely ladies and welcome back to the channel. Today, we are diving into some fresh and trending outfit ideas for mature women who want to look stylish, classy, and confident without ever compromising on comfort. Fashion has no age limit, and that's why today's looks are all about modern trends blended with timeless elegance, because the truth is women over 40, 50, and 60 deserve to feel fashionable and fabulous every single day. Let's start with one of the biggest trends right now, which is wide leg trousers. These pants are not only comfortable, but they also create a very elegant silhouette. They look amazing when paired with a tucked-in blouse or a simple fitted sweater. Add a statement belt, and you instantly look taller, slimmer, and very polished. Finish this look with pointed toe flats or low heels and a structured handbag, and you are ready for a day out, whether it's work, brunch, or shopping. Another trending look that mature women are loving is the monochrome outfit, dressing head to toe in the same color is chic, effortless, and so flattering. Beige on beige, gray on gray, or even all black creates a long, lean silhouette and looks expensive without trying too hard. You can play with textures to make it interesting. For example, combine a silk blouse with tailored trousers and a wool coat in the same shaded gold jewelry and a sleek bag, and you are instantly fashion forward. Let's also talk about the power of blazers, because oversized blazers are trending everywhere and they are perfect for mature women. They give structure, they look stylish, and they can be styled in endless ways. Wear an oversized blazer with straight leg jeans and a basic white tee for a casual chic vibe, or pair it with a midi dress to balance femininity with power. A pair of ankle boots or classic pumps will complete this trendy yet sophisticated look. Another trend worth embracing is midi skirts. Pleated satin or flowy chiffon midi skirts are everywhere right now, and they are incredibly flattering for women of all ages. Pair a satin midi skirt with a lightweight knit top or a crisp blouse, tuck it in to define your waist, and add a slim belt for an elegant finish. This is the kind of outfit that can take you from lunch with friends to an evening dinner without needing a major change. Now let's not forget dresses. One of the trending styles for mature women is the shirt dress. It's chic, versatile, and comfortable. You can wear it belted to accentuate your waist or leave it loose for a relaxed, effortless style. Pair it with knee-high boots or stylish loafers, and you have a perfect look that works for both casual and semi-formal occasions. Layering is another hot trend and perfect for mature women. Think long-line cardigans, trench coats, and oversized coats. These pieces not only keep you warm, but they also add dimension to your outfit. For example, throw a camel trench coat over a monochrome outfit, and you instantly look like you stepped out of a fashion magazine. Add a scarf or a wide brim hat for that extra flair. When it comes to accessories, less is more. This season, minimalist jewelry is trending. Think small gold hoops, layered delicate chains, or a simple watch. These little details complete the look without overwhelming it. Handbags are also key. Structured top handle bags or sleek crossbody styles are perfect choices, and they elevate even the simplest outfit. Shoes are all about comfort and style. Combine chunky loafers, low block heels, and ankle boots are trending right now, and the best part is they work beautifully for mature women because they are both fashionable and practical. Lastly, let's not forget the biggest trend of all, confidence. Fashion works best when you wear it with self-assurance, so don't be afraid to try new styles, adapt trends to suit your personality, and always choose pieces that make you feel empowered and beautiful. Thank you for joining me today, my lovely ladies. I hope these trending outfit ideas gave you fresh inspiration for your wardrobe. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss new fashion tips designed especially for elegant and stylish mature women.